Hello friends, in this module we are going to see the testing for cement on soundness, which is based on IS 4031 part 3. So let's start. Soundness of cement can be defined as its ability to retain its volume after it gets hardened. Actually, soundness represents the change in volume of the cement. We perform the soundness test to identify how much volume changes after the concrete hardens or cement hardens. A properly sound cement will undergo minimum volume change after it converts into the hardened state. If the cement is enough sound, that the volume change will be less. In the soundness test of cement, we determine the amount of excess lime and magnesia. Lime constitutes 60 to 70% in. As we know, in the constituents of cement, lime play a major role. It's apart 60 to 70%. So it's very important to identify the effect of the lime on cement characteristics. This test can be conducted by Le Chatelier method and autoclave method. Here we will discuss Le Chatelier method of determining the soundness of cement. Actually, the Le Chatelier method is very simple to perform on site, and the apparatus is very cheap. We can find mostly available in all place. This one is the Le Chatelier apparatus. It's conformed to the IS 5514. Water bath. The water bath used for maintaining the temperature of water. This is the Le Chatelier apparatus. The dia of the mold is 30 mm and the length of the wire is 150 mm from starting up to the end, and from center to the end it's 165 mm, and the depth is 30 mm. Here you can see the value. Outer side of the mold to the end of the indicator is 150 mm and the internal dia of the mold is 30 mm. Wall thickness of the mold is 0.25 and height of the mold is 30 mm and split is 0.5 mm maximum. This one is the split portion. You can see the little dot point. Next one is balance. Next, trowel. It's confirmed with IS 10086. What is the procedure for to determining the soundness? The water requirement. The water requirement for determining the soundness is 0.78 times the water required to give a paste of standard consistency. As we have seen already, the standard consistency test according to IS 4031 part 4. As we know, the normal consistency for OPC range from 26 to 33%. Let's take the consistency as 31%. Cement weight 300 gram. So the weight of water will be 0.78 times multiplied by 31% consistency into 300. So it's come out 72.54 gram. So first we will measure the weight of cement. Let's take 300 gram. Next one, measuring the water, as we have seen 72.94 gram. After that we will properly mix the cement and water. We will make paste for 3 to 5 minutes. The temperature should be 27 so plus minus degree of the room and water both. After the preparation of the paste, we should fill the paste in the Le Chatelier apparatus. We will cover the Le-Chatelier apparatus from both sides of the glass plate, and we will put a little weight on that so that there is no movement in the glass plates. After that, submerge the whole assembly in water at a temperature of 27 degree for 24 hours. You can see for this assembly we should put in this water bath for 24 hours. Take it out after 24 hours. Measure the distance separating the indicator point to the nearest 0.5 mm. And where is the indicator point? You can see in previous slide. These are the indicator point. Submerge the mold again in water at the temperature prescribed above. After the measuring the distance between indicating point, we should again keep that assembly again in the water bath at 27 degrees centigrade. So keep the mold submerged and bring the water to boiling point in 25 to 30 minutes. Keep it boiling for 3 hours. It means we have to keep the mold for 25 to 30 minutes, and we should bring the water at boiling point, and at boiling point we should keep the mold for 3 hours. Remove the mold from water after 3 hours, allow it to cool, and measure the distance between the indicator point. As you can see, after the 3 hours we have to measure again the distance between these two indicating point. You can see the distance after 3 hours. The difference between these two measuring indicator expansion of the cements. Actually, this one is the Le-Chatelier apparatus before 3 hours, and this one is the Le-Chatelier apparatus after 3 hours. So let's assume it's before 15 mm and after that it's 20 mm. So the difference between these 2 points will be the soundness. The value of the soundness of cement often for ordinary Portland cement, low heat cement, high alumina cement, rapid hardening cement must not exceed 10 mm. So the difference between these two indicating points should not exceed 10 mm. The Le-Chatelier method helps us to determine the lime present in the cement in axis. As we have already seen, the lime present a major role in cement. It's about 60 to 70% constituent in cement. So it's very important all to check the effect of lime, how the lime affect the property of the cements. There should not be volume change after a limit. So it looks like this cement. If there is a more expansion and volume change in the cement, the lime constituent and magnesia constituent is more, so you can see the crack in the cement. So there are some questions on the soundness. What is the soundness? So as we have already seen the definition, soundness of cement is the property by virtue of which cement does not change undergo any appreciable expansion. So first one is correct. For the second one, which apparatus we need to find soundness? The first one is Le-Chatelier, second one is Whiteside apparatus, third one is CTM, fourth one is PET test. So Le-Chatelier apparatus. Next one, why do we need to find the soundness? As we already see, we find the soundness to find out the lime and magnesia constituent. So here you can see the uncombined lime in present. When the cement paste is filled in mold, and kept in water, then what should be the temperature of water? So it should be 27 degree, as we have seen. So it's come in under the range of 25 to 35. Expansion should not be more than 10 mm. Thank you for watching this video. So like this video, share this video, and subscribe this video. It will helpful, and make sure it should reach to the needful person. Thank you.